after we've been experimenting, crafting with a mood board such as this, we might want to take our final result and just save that. And to do that, we simply press the download image button right here. And this will download everything that's on the canvas. We can also save the project, which is very important. And that is done manually by pressing save right here. Simply press it, and the project will be saved. Now, we would like to only export this image though. And to do that, we need to remove everything else on the canvas. Because if we export and download the image right now, everything will be included, which in some cases might be what you want. In our case right now, it's not. So to do this, we're going to just go through each layer, and everything that is not necessary, we delete. All right, there we go. Now we got only the image that we want to export on our canvas, and we can simply press download image, and only what is on here will be downloaded. And it will be downloaded in, of course, the same resolution as everything is here, because we are simply extending the resolution visually. So the images will always retain their high resolution. Also, just a note, of course, Visually supports Control-Z, Control-Y. So let's say you make a mistake like this, simply just Control-Z, and it goes back, or Control-Y, and it could go back again.